Hello dears, I am very happy to meet you in this video session again. I am Satyamurthy from Bharathidhasanar Matric Higher Secondary School, Arakkonam. Now I am going to continue 12th Mathematics first chapter, that is Matrices and Determinant. Second subdivision from the question number 1, second subdivision do as homework, that is first model type, because two variables x and y, we will form the 2 by 2 matrix. Now I am going to start third subdivision. So 2x plus 3y minus z equal to 9. The second equation x plus y plus z equal to 9. Third equation 3x minus y minus z equal to minus 1. They are given 3 equations here. So we can form 3 by 3 matrix, A matrix. Listen, from this in the solution, first, so coefficient of x, y, z we need to write in the first row. From the first equation, I can write the first row of the matrix. So coefficient of x is 2, coefficient of y is 3, coefficient of z minus 1. From the second equation 1, 1, 1. From the third equation 3x minus y minus z equal to minus 1 they given. From this coefficient of x is 3 and coefficient of y minus 1, coefficient of z minus 1. So this is A matrix, and the x matrix, that is variables of the equations x, y, z equal to constant values, the right hand side 9, 9 minus 1. So this matrix in the form of Ax equal to B, Ax equal to B. From this we can find x, the inverse method, A inverse into B. Very simple dears. From this, listen, first we have to find A inverse, then only we can find the value of x, y, z. From this, so what is the A matrix? Now write the given matrix, that is A matrix, which is equal to, that is 3 by 3 matrix, 2, 3, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, third row 3, minus 1, minus 1. And B matrix, that is column matrix 9, 9, 1. X matrix, that is also column matrix x, y, z. Listen to this. Now I am going to find the determinant of A. So determinant of A, 2, 3, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, minus 1, minus 1. So I am going to solve along first row. So if you consider first row, first element 2. So now you omit first row and first column. Remaining 4 elements determinant I am going to find. So 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, and another diagonal value is multiplication, while you are taking multiplication of another diagonal. So now we put minus. So already minus is there. So minus and minus plus. So plus 1 into 1, 1 plus 1, and while we are taking the center value, we should keep minus 3. Already I said many times, because if you get that is order of the place value is what, that is A1 2, first row second column. If you add that number, 1 plus 2 is 3. If you get odd number, in that place we should keep minus. If you get even number, in that place plus. The first row element, that is A11, 1 plus 1 2, that is even number, that is why I write plus. Listen, so now you omit first row and the second column. So remaining 4 elements determinant. So 1 into minus 1, minus 1, and 3 into 1, minus 3. So in the last element already minus is there, so that is why minus 1 into. Now you omit first row and the last column, third column. So 1 into minus 1, minus 1, and minus 3 into 1, 3. That is it. Now you listen, 2 into minus 1 plus 1, 0, minus 3 into minus 4, because minus 1 minus 3 minus 4, minus 1, again minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. Now, so 0, minus to minus plus, 3 4s are plus 12 and plus 4. Listen to this, 12 plus 4 is what? That is 16. So this is not equal to 0. If you get not equal to 0, A inverse exists here. Now, I am going to find adjoint of A. So, I am going to use shortcut again. So, to find adjoint A, so consider the A matrix, from that start with the second row, second elements. Listen, to find adjoint of A, so I am going to start with second row, second element. What is that? That is 1. So, 1, again in the third element 1, the first element 1, again starting elements we need to repeat, that is 1. Now, from the third row, second element is minus 1, again minus 1 plus 3. So, starting element we need to repeat, so minus 1. So, from the first row 3, first row second elements 3, minus 1 and plus 2. So, again the first element plus 3. So, finally we need to repeat the first row once again. So, what are the first elements? 1, 1, 1, 1, 4 times. So, 1, 1, 1, 1. Listen, yes, I am going to find adjoint A from this. Now, we take simple multiplication. So, listen, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. While we are taking another diagonal, so we should keep minus. So, already minus is there. So, minus 1 into plus 1, minus 1. So, minus and minus plus 1. You understand? So, first row, first column element over. The second thing, 1 into 3, 1 into 3 plus 3. So, already minus is there. So, minus and minus plus. So, plus 1. First row, second column over. From the second row, third column. And 1 into minus 1, minus 1. And 3 into 1, minus 3. You all clear? Listen. Now, second row, first column, minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1. And 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Another one minus should come. So, minus and minus, plus 3. Listen. Minus 1 into plus 2, minus 2. Again minus is there. So, minus and minus, plus 1 into 3, plus 3. Listen, yes. So, 3 into 3, 9, minus, while we are taking the cross multiply, we should keep minus. So, minus to minus, plus 2, 2 into 1, plus 2. So, second row over. And the third row, very simple, 3 into 1, plus 3, and minus 1 into minus, plus 1. So, third row, first column over. Listen. And minus 1 into plus 1, minus 1. 1 into 2, 2, and minus 2. Listen, 2 into 1, 2, and minus 3. All transpose. So, with third transpose, that is called cofactor matrix, that is Aij matrix. So, if you keep transpose, so it is adjoint A matrix. Listen, from this first row, first element, first column is 1 minus 1 plus 1 is 0, and 3 plus 1 4, and minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. So, 1 plus 3 plus 4, minus 2 plus 3 plus 1, and 9 plus 2 11, 3 plus 1 4, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3 minus 1. So, this is adjoint of A. So, now transpose this matrix. Transpose is nothing but, so rows are changes columns are interchanging of rows and columns. So, from this first column changes first row 0, 4, 4. Second column changes second row 4 plus 1 minus 3. And third column changes third row minus 4 plus 11 minus 1. So, this is adjoint of A. Now, I am going to multiply with A inverse. From this, now I am going to find A inverse. A inverse, which is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Listen to this. So, 1 by determinant of A value is what? Determinant of A is 16. So, adjoint, just we have find that. Listen. Now, 1 by A inverse, which is equal to 1 by 16 into Adjoint of A matrix is what? That is 0, 4, 4. In the first row, 0 plus 4 plus 4. In the second row, 4, 1 minus 3. 4, 1 minus 3. In the third row, minus 4 plus 11 minus 1. Minus 4 plus 11 and minus 1. So, this is A inverse. Now, I am going to find X matrix. So, X which is equal to, listen, from this X equal to A inverse into B. Now, I am going to use this. So, A inverse into B. So, A inverse is ready. Now, X equal to A inverse into B. So, A inverse matrix is what? That is 1 by 16 and the adjoint matrix 0, 4, 4. And the second row 4, 1 minus 3. 4, 1 minus 3. Third row minus 4 plus 11 minus 1. Listen, in the B matrix, so 9, 9 minus 1 is the B matrix. 9, 9 minus 1. Listen, 1 by 16 into. So, first row of A inverse, listen, first row of this matrix operated on column matrix. So, 0 into 9, 0 and 4 into 9, 4 9s are 36. Again 4 into minus 4, listen, yes, 4 into minus 4, 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. And so, first row over. So, second row operated on the same column matrix, 4 9s are 36 and plus 1 9 is 9 and minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. You understand? So, third row operated on the column matrix, listen, minus 4 into 9 minus 36 and plus 11 into 9 plus 99 and minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Listen, yes, so 1 by 16. Now, sum this value, 36 minus 4 plus 32 and from the second column 36 plus 9, that is 45, 45 plus 3, 48. In the third row 99 plus 1 is 100, 100 minus 36, what should come? 100 minus 36, that is 100 minus 36, 64. Listen, yes, 16s. I am going to 1 by 16 take into the matrix. So, 32 by 16. So, what will come? 16 how many times cancel in 32? 2 times. 2 16s are 32. So, 16 how many times in 48? 3 times. 16 how many times in 64? 16 4s are 64. From this 4. Here X matrix. X matrix means what? That is X, Y, Z. Now, value of X equal to 2 and value of Y equal to 3, value of Z equal to 4. Now, I will find X, Y, Z. For your verification, listen, for your verification just apply in any one of this equation. Now, I am going to consider the second equation. What is the second equation? In the verification just you have to do it. Verification from the second equation, listen, yes, very simple. So, sum of the X, Y, Z. So, very simple. So, 2 plus 3 plus 4 equal to what should come? 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9. That is in the right hand side. So, your answers of X, Y, Z is correct answers. Okay, that is it. For your further clarification, we have attached study materials and self assessment question bank in the description. Please go through it. Thank you.
நளினி அமிர்தாவோட ஃபாதர் யூகேஜிலேருந்து 8th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் படிக்கிறாங்க. இப்போ அதே 5:30 to 6:30 வந்து கிரவுண்ட் ரன்னிங் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு பாடி எக்ஸசைஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு அப்படியே ஸ்கூல் அட்டன் பண்ணிவிட்டு மத்தியானம் மேலே மதர் தெரேசா அகாடமியில் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. மெட்ராஸில் எம்இஎம்லும் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. நேஷனல் லெவலில் வந்து கோல்டு அடிச்சிருக்காங்க.